felt particularly grateful when an adult helped you out when you were a kid?
I'm sorry, my friend. I don't hear clearly. Can you speak slowly? And then
Okay.
I don't quite the meaning.
Was there a time when you felt particularly grateful when an adult helped you out when you were a kid? Can you speak loudly? I can't hear you.
Oh yeah, yeah. I see the mistake here.
Yeah, yeah.
Was uh, was there a time when you felt particularly and grateful when out at you out when mm, it is really hard to answer.
So,
I don't know how
okay,
to
okay, give up, give up. Okay, give up that. Um,
I don't know
so,
how to say, but
okay, so tell me about yourself. What do you do for a living?
um, my name is Ross. I'm from Cambodia, and
Cambodia.
nowadays I'm a student. Yeah, I'm a student at I'm PhD student at university, and also English teacher at my village.
Oh, great.
So yeah, yeah. So I joined this platform because I want to get more involved with speaking, and also I want to learn speaking culture from the people like you or other people that have joined with this platform. Okay, that's all. Thing.
It will be great. So, can I ask you something more?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, my next question is, what is your aim in life?
Sorry, sorry.
I mean, what is your aim in life? I
In
mean,
name life.
I mean,
I,
what you wanna do in future?
ah, my future, yes, I want to be a teacher because
Oh,
it is my
hobby.
my study skill. Yeah, my study skill at university. I'm learn English literature and also nowadays I'm teaching English at my village, and also in the future I still want to be a teacher.
Hmm.
I work it difficult, but it's fun when we work with the children and make me happy. So I decided to choose the English teacher.
Great. So, how much family member you
And
have?
about and about you?
Oh, my dream is so big. I wanna do something better in my life, and I wanna cross Elon Musk.
Yes.
So that's why I'm learning English because I'll do something better in online platform, and I'm learning something about freelancing journey, and yeah, I'm not
And
student, but I'm a worker. I'm working on construction, and I'm a mason's helper.
yeah, 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 sure. For for me also, when I graduate from 2010, I'm not study anymore because of financial factors that my family is very poor. That I decided to work, and after 10 more years, I start at continue at UDP again. So that is we can say very funny, but if you not study, we cannot change our life because study is very important for us to change our life from a poor situation to better situation in the future.
Okay. Can you ask me something? If you wanna
Uh,
ask me
how,
something.
how many languages in your
What?
country?
What?
How many languages? How many languages used in your country?
Oh, only one language used in my country, and English is international. English in all the world.
Yeah, yeah. Because actually, I
My
saw the most of the Bangladesh people they can speak English, so that's why I asked you how many languages used in the country.
In our country, only use two language, only one Bangla, and then international languages English. Yeah,
Mm,
these two
yeah.
languages very uh, using all people using in the world.
Did you get married already, right?
What?
You get married already? Have you get married
No, no,
before?
no, 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 no. I'm pure single.
Oh, and how are you?
Huh? What did you say?
How? Huh?
Oh, I'm 24 years old almost.
24 years. Can you guess my age?
I can't hear you.
Can you guess my age? How old I am?
Um, my guess is you almost 25 or 6.
Hmm?
Maybe 25 or 6.
No, very young, not like that. I'm an old man. I'm 30, 35, 34 years old, and yeah, 34,
Yeah, 24,
34,
34.
34, 34.
Oh man, I can't believe it. You look like 24, 25 years, you know.